Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Garageband and creating a new audio track labeled Voice. This gets you into the right workflow fast. Once done, enable monitoring and pick the correct input so you hear changes live, and then record a short test phrase to set levels. Make sure peaks sit around -6 dB so effects behave predictably. This prevents clipping and makes later editing smoother. Now that your base recording exists, you're ready to apply and tweak pitch, formant, and modulation effects. You'll add the vocal transformer or pitch shifter from the smart controls. This is the core voice changer. Once added, lower or raise pitch and semitones to get the desired range, and then adjust formant so timbre stays realistic. This is why voices don't sound metallic. Next, insert a gentle compressor and parametric EQ to tighten mids and tame sibilants. Finally, add short reverb or delay for character. Make small moves, preview often, and use bypass to compare before committing. You finish by bouncing the track to audio to lock in your voice change and ease CPU strain. Export at 44.1K Hz or higher depending on delivery. If you hear warbling or unnatural artifacts, reduce the pitch shift, tweak formant, or enable any high-quality processing options. Those steps usually fix glitches. Make sure to save incremental versions so you can revert. Finally, test your exported file on different devices to confirm the effect translates well across speakers and headphones.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.